Here I am on chance in the main cabin now. I've just stuck a poster on the bulkhead, or the main bulkhead of the boat, saying that chance is certified as a boat of a significance by the National Historic Ships, and also there's a banner below it saying that Shitty Case cards and any profits from her small business that she does for green cards will go to help the Chance Restoration Project. And also we have a Facebook page, Chance_Restoration 1948, where you can look at our updates, and if you'd like to donate funds to the Chance Restoration Fund, by all means do so through Patreon. You can do a one-off payment for £2 or buy me a coffee as well. So here are all places you can do it. So that's all for now, folks. Talk to you soon. As you can see, the aft knee for the transom's now out. It's come out in a few bits, as you can see. Yep, well look, one big bit thankfully, which is a godsend, and onwards and upwards to take the port side frames out where they need to be. But the main thing to come out is this broken, damaged and rotten cross floor, which has to come out next, and then the rudder tube out next. So that's what we're going to be doing shortly. Well, they're out now. What's left now to do here is grind off the screws, and hopefully this piece of steel will come out of here slowly but surely. We've got to make a new pad here and a new wedge there, and then we've got to put the knee back in and make a piece of keel which will go back as far as there, and then that can be start to be put back together again. But the first thing we've got to do is take this out. As you can see, we've come a long way. Got the stern post out, the two side beams from the port and side of the thing. We've taken out the floor bearer, and we've also started to dismantle the rudder tube. So we've had a good day today, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the Chance Restoration Project YouTube channel. And also, if you'd like to, you can always donate, buy me a coffee, or you can go on to Patreon, Chance_1948, where you can donate as little as £2 a month, or just a one-off payment, whichever you like to do. But that's all for today, and hopefully come back sometime during the week and carry on and see if we can get this rudder tube out and then start to repair the keel. That's all for today, folks. Bye for now.